Hi.
Hi.
How are ya?
Good.
All right. This is the one. Okay.
I use the keys.
Okay. Keys are gone. Are you the owner? I'll need to see your driver's license and the registration.
Key.
One key. You got it. No problem. It's okay. No te preocupes. All right. So we're working with the 2012 Nissan Altima. Customer lost all the keys. I'm gonna program the key first, then I'm gonna cut the blade for the door, and that's it. Alright, North America, and we're gonna go with Altima 2012. Smart gear learning. Alright, light flashed 5 times, so that's good. Program success. Continue program next one. No. Remove key from the slot. Alright, let's make sure it works. Okay, remote works. Let's try to start the car. Ugh, if I can get in here. Alright, car starts. Now I'm just gonna cut the key. Alright, so to cut this blade, I'm gonna use the NSN 14 Lishi tool. You can find it on 84lockpicks.com if you want to get one. Alright, so I'm gonna pick the lock real quick. Once the lock is picked, I can decode it and cut a key. 3 is 1, 3, number 5 is 2. Okay, almost finished. Alright, I'm gonna test it out real quick. Okay, listo, señor. The key is cut for the door. Okay, it's in here. Everything works. It's your key. ¿Qué pregunta?
¿Cuánto?
¿Cuánto dinero?
How much?
It's okay if I share it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Alright, gracias.
Thank you.
Buen día.